This is my Google Sites for my physical education class at Southeast Polk High School. This site will be available to freshmen through seniors. This is the home page. So below on the home page, the first thing that will pop up is a weekly calendar. So this calendar will show what activities we're doing for each class, and will also give dates for assignments, quizzes, assessments that will be taking part in class. Below that's a Google map. So we'll change different locations around the school, whether it's outside or inside, and it'll let me ping which location that we will be in for that week. Down below here is my contact information. First thing is my email. Second thing is my school phone number. So if anybody wants to contact me, this is a great place to look. Down here is Southeast Polk's website. If you click on this website, it takes you to the school website. So parents can click on this, go through and find our campus portal, which they'll be able to locate their grades, missed assignments, all that good stuff. Scrolling back to the top, our navigation tab here, we have Classroom. So this Classroom area is for different resources, assignments, things that I'll be placing on here for my students. So the first thing here is PDFs. So any type of PDFs that we'll have that I could print out to the kids or give, instead of doing that, I'll just post them on here and they can print off. So if we have certain articles that we need to read, different things that we would normally print out for each kid, now I can just put on this Google site. Below this is a resource tab. So with PE, we have different skills that we do, different rules. Under this resource tab, there'll be a lot of different things. Like one, we can add YouTube videos. So if we have a rules test or a skills item that we need to show, we can do these through these links. So I started with football because that's going to be our first unit. So I'll put different links once the school year gets going in terms of what things will be under the resource. Below here is basketball. Another early unit I do is basketball. So if you look here, there's a YouTube video embedded that shows some proper basketball shooting mechanics. This just gives kids a resource to look at instead of listening to me all the time. Or if they miss class, they can go back in and see. Down here is a link to USA Basketball. So the students could click on this page and find different information about USA Basketball. Also under the Classroom tabs is FitnessGram. So we use FitnessGram as a form of assessment to see where our students are in terms of how they compare to others in regards to their fitness. So FitnessGram, right now, currently there's a link to the Cooper Institute, which gives all the norms for students, like the mile run. What's their time for their age room? Are they healthy? That sort of thing. So students can check that out. Over here on the navigation, we have Assessments tab. So all of our assessments are online. So for this first one, we can have the students get here and they can take the assessment right here on this Google Sites. So this is a Google form which I uploaded. So the students would click on that, put in their information, and then they can take the test. Again, that way, if they're gone and they miss the test, they can do it at home. Or if students don't like their grade the first time, they can come back through and retry. Over here is the Activities tab. So this is just kind of a schedule of how the class is going to run for the year, and it will vary and change, and this will obviously change. So volleyball, football, fitness activities, basketball is kind of how the schedule goes out. We'll also show different activities that we're doing, whether it's certain sports that are going on throughout the year or different types of intramural activities. We have a lot of dodgeball tournaments and different little things at the school. This is also a good resource for that. And that pretty much concludes my Google Sites. It's going to change a lot probably as the year goes on. It's a work in progress, but thank you for checking it out and hope you come back to look at it.